GorillaPods? Well, obviously, they're very pocketable. Although you probably wouldn't want to sit down on one of these. This cute little one is suited for compacts. And it comes in a nice Barbie pink colour. And we've got his bigger brother. Suitable for SLRs. Although there's another version called the SLR Zoom, which can take an SLR with a zoom lens. Now, apart from the fact that they're light in weight, they're also very flexible with these ball joints. And then you can take this bit off. And the SLR version is pretty much the same, but on steroids. It's got the same rubberized grippy bits here. This one features a nice spirit level, so you know that when things are nice and level. And this also has a quick detach butt plate with a lock. Look just how quick the quick detach is. That was really quick, wasn't it? What's that? You can't afford a Red Rock Micro setup? Why not use one of these then? Follow focus, easy peasy lemon squeezy. And with rubber feet, it sits quite nicely on objects such as this fire hydrant. It's kind of like a spider with only 3 legs. Oops. The Joby GorillaPods are construction site friendly. And video bloggers might find it useful so that they can do their vlogs while sitting on the bus. And supposing you want to take pictures of yourself or video blog while on an escalator, you can do. I think that's about right. And you can even use it while in the wild. I think I've broken that. Let's go. Okay, don't drop. The nice rubbery grippy bits will ensure that it sticks to anything that's stationary. Quite literally anything. Like a desperate teenager who needs to get laid, they'll mount quite literally anything. Or if you really want to, you can have some upside down action, like monkeys swinging in a tree. And because it's nice and small, you can put it in some high up places. The one problem, however, is that it's not very tall, so if you don't have any poles or bars to clip it onto, then you have to put it on the floor like this. And, hang on, how do I do this? It's a bit wet here. Oh, God. I've never felt that pain in my back before. But you could see that as an advantage. But take this normal but rather expensive tripod. Does it go down as low as this Joby GorillaPod? Nope. Hello. So the Joby GorillaPod, great to accompany a normal tripod. Great to have instead of a normal tripod